Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Viber from automatically downloading photos or videos. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Tap on the option labeled More. This will open up additional menu items that give you access to various settings and features within Viber. Once you're in the More section, you'll notice several options displayed on your screen. Look for and tap on Settings. This is where you can control all the important preferences for how Viber behaves on your device, including notifications, privacy options, and media handling. Now, within the Settings menu, scroll through the available options until you find one labeled Media. Tap on it to proceed. This section specifically controls how Viber handles photos, videos, and other media files that are shared in your chats. It's the key area for managing automatic downloads and storage preferences. Once you're inside the media settings, you'll see several options that control how your media files are handled. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the radio button next to Save to Gallery. Go ahead and tap on it to uncheck this option. By disabling this, you're preventing Viber from automatically saving every photo and video you receive directly to your phone's gallery. This helps keep your gallery clean and ensures you only save the media you actually want to keep. Next, you'll see two more important options that control when Viber downloads media automatically. Find the radio button next to Auto Download Media over Mobile Network and tap on it to uncheck it. This prevents Viber from downloading photos and videos when you're using your mobile data, which can save you a significant amount of data usage, especially if you're on a limited plan or traveling. Right below that, you'll see another option labeled Auto Download Media when connected to Wi-Fi. Tap on the radio button next to this option to uncheck it as well. Even though Wi-Fi doesn't use your mobile data, disabling this prevents your device from automatically filling up with media files you might not want, giving you full control over what gets downloaded and stored on your phone. And that's it. You've successfully configured Viber to stop automatically downloading photos and videos, giving you complete control over your media storage and data usage. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.